Now let us ask them questions. There's a hadith in Sahih Bukhari. Hadith in Sahih Bukhari. Sayyiduna Khubayb radiyallahu ta'ala, a companion of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He was imprisoned by non-Muslims. He was martyred by non-Muslims. Bint Haris says that I saw Khubayb, and Khubayb is the best of all prisoners that I have seen. This hadith is in Bukhari. Why is he the best of all prisoners? He says, Wallahi laqad wajadtuhu yawman ya'kulu min kitafi 'inabin fi yadihi. Bint Haris says, this is in Bukhari, Sahih Bukhari. She says, by Allah, I saw him in Makkah Mukarramah. He was imprisoned, he was chained, and in his hands he had a bunch of grapes. He was eating grapes at a time when there were no grapes in Makkah Mukarramah. There were no grapes in Makkah Mukarramah. He was blessed with this miracle from the unseen. Bint Haris says, Allah Jalla wa Ala blessed him with grapes. He was eating the grapes. The grapes were in his hands. Now ask them this question. Akhi, the Prophet had stones around his stomach. Prove this miracle for Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Or reject this hadith of Sahih Bukhari. If someone says, this is proven from Sahih Bukhari, this miracle of Khubayb radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that it's not proven for Sayyidina Abu Bakr, then that means Sayyidina Abu Bakr is now mafdul and Khubayb becomes afdal. Alayazu billah.